Item number 4, for me it would be a folding saw. Yes, that would make easier for me to make shelter, to get supplies of fuel for my fire, and a good folding saw is unreplaceable in that in wilderness. Yes, the multi-tool, most of the multi-tools, and particularly my choice Leatherman Surge, does have a saw on it, but it's a little bit small. That would probably let me get enough wood for let's say one night, but that would take some effort. With this guy I could get much more wood and keep myself warm and get my much more hot drinks rather than with just a saw on my multi-tool. So this would be my choice number 4. And by the way, you know that if a need be, you can split wood with a saw as well. Just if you don't know how to do that, then just check other videos here on YouTube, and I'm sure you will learn how to split wood if you just have a saw. And item number 5 for me would be some kind of cordage. Either this would be like this one, which is not exactly a paracord, but it's similar to it. In the area where I live, I haven't seen original paracord available here. So this is a cord with some 4 strings and a sheath, which is similar to the legendary paracord, but that could be any kind of rope, maybe something like this, which has 3 cords woven into one, or something like this. Well, whatever, but item number 5 for me would be some kind of rope or cord that I could use for lashing my shelter together, for first aid if need be, and for making a bow drill if I lose, in a case I lose my lighter or it goes out, though I'm not very good at starting fire with the bow drill, but at least I would have an item to try doing that with. So that would be my item number 5. The item number 6 from my gear store would be the canteen. Oh, you remember? The canteen cup was my item number 2, and now I would add my canteen to this kit, because, as I said, water is widely available in the area where I live, and transporting it is not a primarily need, but still I would prefer to have some water with me at all times. The item number 7 would be my well-used, as you can see, rain poncho, or a tarp. Well, my tarp is somewhere in my garage, and I didn't bring that for this review. Sorry for that, but it would be one of these items anyway. Either a good poncho or a tarp, or probably a plastic bag, heavy use plastic bag, but in general something that I could use as a protection against rain and as a shelter. Well, all of these items can be used for these purposes. As you can see probably already now, these items starting from number 6, they are already some kind of a redundancy and more comfort items than a real necessity. Actually, they are necessary. If given a choice, I would take all of them. But yes, we discussed shelter already earlier, and I said that I could make a shelter pretty much anywhere. Some basic, very basic, some kind of debris shelter pretty much anywhere in it. But having something like this, like a poncho or a tarp, would significantly improve my conditions and survival options. Item number 8, some sort of a navigation device. I would prefer a good, reliable compass, and since we have other major needs, other basic needs covered, sooner or later the question of moving out of the wilderness will come up, and a good, reliable compass is irreplaceable for that kind of need. So my choice number 8 would be a compass. Item number 9, in my case, would be some kind of container, or namely a bag, where to put all my gear and stuff while I'm on the move. In my case, this is an Ortlieb waterproof bag, which is not particularly comfortable, neither it is very big, but it is waterproof. I've been swimming with this. I have swam with this once when I had to cross a river, and it is a waterproof bag. So this is why I would choose this particular bag, and yeah, that would be my item number 9. And finally, item number 10 would be, yes, now I would like to have some kind of a fixed blade, just to help me out with all the chores. And now I could start splitting and batoning and chopping wood, and though I could do that pretty much the same with the saw, but yeah, now if I had the choice, I would add a good, reliable fixed blade to my kit. In this case, that would be a BK2. I really love this knife, though there are lots of great knives out there. Well, another option could be, for example, Bravo One. Well, it's well, I know there are many people out there who would prefer this particular knife, and I cannot say that, well, in 2 seconds I wouldn't pick up this one, because I love this knife very much as well, and it is very well made, and well, yeah, very good and reliable knife. Just at the moment, BK2 seems to me more capable and a little bit more adequate for Nordic conditions. Well, yeah, at least judging from what I've done it with it and what I've seen. Okay, that is my selection of 10 survival essentials, according to me. I hope you enjoyed, and tell me what you think. Okay, thank you.